This is a flop. There's powder. Are you guys ready? In 3, 2, 1. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm very excited because I have so many weird products to try. We're gonna do part 2 of weird makeup products. By the way guys, I just got a new haircut. What do you guys think? Firstly, I'm just gonna put something on my lips because my lips look like dead. These romantic weird long lasting lip color. Okay, I'm gonna open this. This is like a peel off lipstick कि आप इसको apply कर लो थोड़ी देर लगा के. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shades and this smells so fruity. This is called Sexy Red. That's a wonderful shade name. Blood red. Oh my god. Let's go for it. I'm a little scared. Oh my god. This is very sticky. Overlined very messily and I'm scared I'm gonna tint. Alright, so now I'm gonna peel it off and let's see how this works. Stained, as you guys can see, because it's a really strong tint. Alright guys, so this is the final look of the lips. I really like the result, but it's like a little bit of hassle because I really don't want to do this much of hassle. Let's move on. For skin prep, I have got a few other products. These are the facelift stick-ons. They were really trending on Instagram. These look like bandage, to be honest. जो हमारे यहाँ पे bandages मिलती है ना, ये वैसा का लग रहा है. What? You have to have so much patience for this and I'm not patient at all. For the last time and for your guys' sake, I'm gonna use this again. They say to put it on first and then slide off the arrow part. This is the tape. We're gonna apply it wherever you want to lift the area. Apply the tape here and then just press it and remove the arrow. Like that. Like the tape is stretching with the arrow. Just does not do anything. I'm sorry guys, I don't have this much of patience. Please don't buy this. This is a flop. The second product is a flop. For the eyebrows, I have a very interesting product. This is the 3-second eyebrow stamp. Now this also looks so gimmicky because I have no clue if this is gonna work or not. So this is how the stamp looks like. This is how the product looks like and you have to just pull this off. This is the product and this is the mirror. अभी हम इसको stamp करते हैं यहाँ पे. So let's add it. So this is how the stamp looks like. This is not my eyebrow shape. Stamp it on. Not sure what it did. I think it's doing something. Okay, तो जो दूसरा eyebrow stamp है उसका shape थोड़ा different है. उसका थोड़ा round shape है. जो मैंने use किया है वो वाला थोड़ा arched shape है. So not bad. I'm gonna use the other stamp which is absolutely fresh and I'm gonna show you exactly the same thing again. There's the product and let's apply this. By the way, both of my eyebrows are really different from each other. They are not twin sisters. I really don't think so. I'll use this stamp, but I can definitely use this powder. I'm gonna quickly fill my eyebrows in and we can like move on to the next. So I'm gonna pack this again. I'm gonna create a YouTube shorts for each product. Skin prep number 3. So I ordered this lip mask kit. It's very cute. ये है कुछ लिप मास्क और इसमें से लिक्विड निकले जा रहा है. It's very annoying. Layers of sheet mask. Okay. The lip mask is really hydrating, you guys. It's really hydrating. I've never in my life tried lip mask like this one, but I do try कि जो ऐसे लगाने वाले होते हैं. But ये वाला I've tried it for the first time. We have this product now. This is for the eyeshadows, but I think we should go ahead with the foundations first. For the foundation, I have this very interesting weird tool. Let's use this now. Let's see if this absorbs the product or not. By the way, the applicator is really cute. It's like a beauty blender only. I kind of like how quick it is. It was like 63 rupees, but it's absorbing a lot of product. बहुत अच्छे से blend कर रहा है. But the only complaint is it's absorbing a lot of product. It's not very soft. Like I like my beauty blenders to be soft and gentle on my skin. It's like beating my skin. 63 rupees mein you get like 2 of these. And I'm gonna use the same beauty blender to blend out my concealer. I think it's gonna absorb again half of it. Okay, my base looks stunning. I like this, like it's workable. इससे आपका प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा नहीं अप्लाई होता है. लाइक मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा लिया था बट ज़्यादा नहीं अप्लाई होता बिकॉज एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है आधा प्रोडक्ट इसी में. I have this sunscreen powder, you guys. It looks amazing. People do recommend कि आप अपने sunscreen को हर 2 घंटे 3 घंटे के बाद उसको रीअप्लाई करो. I don't think so anybody does that. Celebrities must do it, but मैं तो नहीं करती हूँ, याद ही नहीं रहता. To press it like this. Oh, okay, the sunscreen comes out of this. Like you don't have to dunk your brush in the sunscreen, it just comes out of this only. Let's set our face then. Okay, yes, there's powder. Okay, so this side of my face is set. Can you see the difference? Not bad, yeah. If you get sunscreen in this, it's SPF 50 PA+++, which is amazing. You can like touch up using this. It's like actually useful, weird product. I think you should get it for yourself. It's so convenient. Just put it in a purse. Why not touch up your makeup and apply sunscreen at the same time? Got these cute mini puffs, makeup puffs, and they are super cute. Look at this. I'm enjoying this so much. Also guys, thank you so much for liking the who did my makeup video. Next video is gonna be again very interesting. Someone else is doing my makeup. Just giving you a hint. And this is a win, okay? This is super cute. It's blush paper. Last video, the Amazon video that I filmed, I used this highlighter, which was a fail. Okay, this was a fail because of the color. We have a blush in the same category. Let's take out one piece of paper. That is so beautiful. Apply it directly. It's super shiny. I would suggest this one is better than the last time we tried. We tried the highlighter paper. The highlighter paper was like really, like the shade messed it up. Otherwise this would also have been a win, but this is a win because I really like the color and the payoff is also beautiful. It is not enhancing my texture. That is the best part. Next, I also got this very popular triangular makeup puff. This is everywhere now, and you know, there's a hack. Oh my god, this is so soft. The hack that I saw, you just wet your makeup puff and apply your foundation. I'm definitely gonna try that hack. Okay, now we can use this product. This is a eyeshadow stencil stickers. पीछे वाली side पे they have given you some references कि आप ऐसे try कर सकते हो. I'm gonna use this one first. Let's create a eyeshadow and then we will use the eyeliner sticker. Like if you're a beginner and if this works, congratulations. I'm gonna take this palette from Cuffs and Lashes. I have not used this palette in a while, so I was like, let me try this. This is Enchanting eyeshadow palette. Let's just see what you got here. The light pink first. I'm very messily placing it on my crease. I think this is going to work. I have a strong feeling. This is classic eyeshadow, by the way. They have smoky eyeshadow, dark magenta pink, because I think this will be visible. I'm gonna do the same on the other eye super quickly. I'm really excited. I'm gonna quickly go ahead and use this plum shade. Like for a classic eyeshadow, you gotta do this. So this is basically the classic eyeshadow that we do. It's the matte on the crease and in the outer corner. Put a little bit of dimension using some darker shade and then just put a shimmer shade on your lash lid. Are you guys ready? In 3, 2, 1. What is this shape even? It ruined my makeup. No guys, I would not recommend this. Okay, we have sexy eyeliner, we have a fishtail eyeliner, we have thin eyeliner, we have double line eyeliner. Let's do double line liner, which looks like a little, you know, subtle. please work this time. I'm using the Eba sketch liner and I'm just gonna go with the flow now. बहुत हो गया. फिर से बहुत messily लगा रही हूँ like a beginner. Starting with just be a little careful and that's it. तो मैंने double wing वाला पता नहीं क्यों ले लिया. So I think eyeliner सूख गया है. In 3, 2, 1, let's hope for the best. Let's go. So and then you give. I'm gonna fix this and then I'll give you guys my review on this. I like the eyeliner sticker. I like. You can see I'll have to fix it a little bit, but I think the other ones will work. I just can't digest the fact that I'm liking this. I have this eyelash curler first, and it is a heated eyelash curler. It is temperature control eyelash curler. I don't want to burn my lashes, so you have to put cell in it. So you have a button here, just a light. So this is how the packaging looks like. इसके ऊपर ना Chinese, पता नहीं Korean language में कुछ लिखा हुआ है. So this is definitely a Korean product. What we're gonna do is let's do one eye with this mascara and let's do other eye जैसे मैं normally apply करती हूँ. I don't use eyelash curler because my eyelashes are already like curled. They're not straight. So I'm just going to. I'm scared. Let's do this. Okay, my eyelashes are in there and there you go. I can feel the heat. 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope I didn't cut my eyelashes. Thank God. Since I've applied eyeliner, you can't see the lashes, but it's working. I'm gonna apply just the mascara on the other side. You know, I will use it when I'm not applying lashes. That is when you use such products, because when I'm not applying lashes or eyeliner, just eyeshadow. That is the eyes. And now for the lips, I think we are at second last product. For the lips, I have very cute Airpod lipsticks. Super cute, and they look just like AirPods but a little bit bigger. इसमें ऐसे magnetic packaging तो नहीं है जैसे AirPods की होती है, but still super cute. We have 2 shades. The first one is this one. The second one is this, which is like a red. So I'm going to use one shade right now. Let's use the nude shade. Very soft and pigmented, but unfortunately I don't like the shade. It's very creamy. I don't like creamy lipsticks because they get everywhere and they're not transfer proof, so it's just for the like show purpose. At the end of the video, let me know what you guys think of this look. I do not like it very much, but let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see more of such videos. My table is a mess right now. If you enjoy such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to give feedback on my hair in the comments, and I will see you in my next video.